Yeah, I do want to say you need to be prepared for the humidity today. Really brutal out there. And then also, yes, we're expecting some thunderstorms, very likely chance. In fact, we could be seeing some localized downpours leading to some isolated flash flooding. Don't want to rule out an isolated severe thunderstorm. What's good is after today, honestly, the forecast improves significantly. So today's the only day where we have not so great weather. Already starting to see some downpours in southern Worcester County. Boston right now is dry, but we had a lot of rain yesterday for some of us. It was primarily over central Massachusetts. They saw 1 to 2 inches. Then, of course, Connecticut saw training of thunderstorms, which is when thunderstorms hit the same area over and over and over again, and they just don't give up. Now, current temperatures, upper 60s, low 70s. Dew points are barely trailing behind. That means the air is almost completely saturated. It feels incredibly sticky and uncomfortable. Upper 70s, low 80s for highs today. Very humid, likely showers and thunderstorms. Make sure you've got the rain gear ready to go, and I suggest a raincoat rather than an umbrella. So very likely rain chances for today, but drying out as we get to later tonight. And then tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday actually look pretty good. They are going to be notably cooler, but the one benefit to that is the humidity is going to drop quite a bit. I'll show you more of that coming up. Already you know how incredibly humid out there it is. It's just a little bit brutal. And on top of that, we have rain and thunderstorms ahead throughout the day. We're expecting some couple rounds, so it's not going to be a washout of the day, but we're definitely going to get multiple rounds of it. So right now we've got some rain up pretty light to moderate near Hopkinton, south of Westboro, for example, some near Oxford, north of Southbridge. So it's pretty isolated right now. But again, as we go throughout the afternoon hours, scattered showers and thunderstorms, early evening hours, later evening hours, we'd have chances for rain and thunderstorms really through about 10 o'clock tonight. And then after that, we start to dry out pretty nicely. And then after today, the forecast for the rest of the week looks great. So I don't want you thinking we're kind of stuck in this wet pattern like we've been over the last couple days. It was rainy yesterday, a lot rainier for some, depending on where you were. Central Mass definitely got it the worst. Most thunderstorms are going to be your general type of thunderstorms. Only a couple of those could become strong to severe. So we're at a level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk for today. Thankfully, southeastern Mass is not included in that, but most of us in Vermont, New Hampshire, and northeast and central Massachusetts are. Greatest threat by far is going to be some heavy rain. It's really humid out there, right? You can feel it. Now, that moisture in the air actually fuels downpours. So that allows the rain to get stronger, that allows the rain to fall heavier, and that increases the risk for some flooding and some water pooling on the road, so be careful there. Greatest risk in terms of severe potential would be some isolated damaging wind gusts, low wind chance for hail. We're not worried about a tornado, which is great. The other big weather story for today and this week, the humidity. Oh, it's brutal. 68-degree dew point out there. Feels heavy. Later this afternoon, dew point's even worse, honestly. Upper 60s, low 70s. Some huge improvements, though, as we get into tomorrow and Wednesday with dew points down to the 50s. So really, we just have to get through today. Highs for today, upper 70s, low 80s, very humid, showers and thunderstorms. Make sure you've got the rain gear ready to go. Tonight, rain ends, dropping humidity as the night goes on, a wind shift as the night goes on, and overnight lows 58 to 63. And then tomorrow is going to be noticeably cooler and noticeably less humid. We're going to have mostly to partly cloudy conditions. So definitely some cloudier periods and some partly cloudy periods. But highs tomorrow, look at that, 70 to 75 degrees. Doing some national travel for tomorrow, some air travel, of course. Most of the country is actually looking nice and quiet. Now, 7-day forecast. Today, not so good. Could be an isolated shower tomorrow morning. Honestly, I think that chance is decreasing. Mostly to partly cloudy. Wednesday, partly cloudy. Thursday, partly cloudy. Friday, nice and dry. The upcoming weekend, we do start to warm back up. We see a lot of highs in the 70s this week after today. But as we get to Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we do start to warm back up to the low to mid 80s. But we do dry out.